This could be the car for you. The 2023 GMC Sierra HD. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Tackle the toughest jobs with confidence in this brawny Sierra HD. From its heavy-duty capability to its refined ride and luxury cabin amenities, this impressive workhorse offers a unique blend of steely strength and modern comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof. Be confident and in command of the job in this super strong Sierra HD. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.